meals. You can make money out of your photos. It's not about making money alone, but it relieves you hunting for content. Most people don't know. You're going to a restaurant as you're going to eat that KFC and you take a photo. You can be creative. These are potatoes, by the way, mixed with eggs. From my single breakfast, I make money in different ways. Yeah, at least I can't, apart from eating very well what I love and prepared with love, I make at least $5 on a daily basis from my breakfast. So imagine if I get $1 from my breakfast, then for 5 days those will be $5. For 7 days, those are $7. That is only from a photo. Now what about if I go to the video? I'm talking about Facebook. Let me show you what I've been telling you. So guys, always when I'm making my breakfast, I make it with love, with a reason, because I want us to make money out of it. So the way I serve it genuinely, I prepare it genuinely. So is you. It doesn't matter which type of breakfast. You can be making porridge, you can be making milk, it can be katogo, it can be cassava, but with an intention. You can make money out of your meals. You can make money out of your photos. It's not about making money alone, but it relieves you hunting for content. Most people don't know. You're going to a restaurant as you're going to eat that KFC and you take a photo. You can be creative. These are potatoes, by the way, mixed with eggs. I made the healthy breakfast. I used olive oil to make it not stick to the pan. I topped up with camurari, this cayenne. This is one of the things that every one of you should start having. Since I started taking cayenne, or you can call it camurari pepper, my bowels, my stomach, I don't get belched stomach, I don't get gas. Then I shifted from the other brand of tomatoes. I'm a lover of tomatoes, especially when I'm putting on like salad and other things. So I changed it to this small one because I came to learn the secret in it. And I know whoever is watching me, if you don't know the secret, go and search about it. Then I changed the way I eat my onions. Onions, I no longer eat the other bread, the mixed bread. This one, they grow in the night. I use these small onions, our natural onions, direct from home. Why? I met, tag for me Brenda on TikTok. I met this lady, Brenda Products. By the way, most of the things I knew them, but she was a confirmation. And from then, I started eating this one raw. I know you'll wonder why, but the health benefits are very many. I started eating the small onions. Yeah, I loved them before, but now I love them with a passion. So, how do you make money from this? On your social media platforms, using your smartphone and internet. What you do, you can make money in 5 different ways. When you're going to prepare, you can take a photo of ingredients, as you'll see on the screen. From taking a photo of ingredients, you can go ahead and make a video of your process if you want. Then from there, you can take a photo of the final product. After that, you can make a video, a separate video. So you'll find you have like 5 photos from one activity. In 5 days, you'll come and thank me later. Do you believe that you can make money with your breakfast? You can make money with your lunch. You can make money with your dinner. Every activity, provided you know the focus. Do it with one heart, love and everything. Let's make money as we build our good health. It's so delicious. So can we go and make money with our smartphones? Yes. Don't tell me I don't have content, I don't know how to speak. If you don't know how to speak, you can take photos. I don't stay in a good environment to make videos. If you don't have a good environment to make videos, change your background. I showed you how you can change your background. There's no excuse. Everything gives you money.